For the two Hawaii residents who died after catching COVID-19, the state says they were part of a cluster of cases. Jen Boniza reports.
Both casualties were elderly Oahu residents with underlying health conditions who were hospitalized at the time of their death. The Department of Health says that these deaths should be a reminder to everyone at just how quickly COVID-19 spreads from person to person.
Today we received the heartbreaking news that two more of our neighbors passed away due to COVID-19.
An elderly woman and an elderly man are the 28th and 29th casualties of the virus.
The female was an individual who was hospitalized, who was at a Pearl City nursing home before she passed away.
Dr. Scott Miskovich, who was involved with testing the Pearl City nursing home, says the woman was linked to a cluster of cases, including one employee in mid-July. Department of Health's state epidemiologist Dr. Sarah Park says the man who died is also linked to a known cluster. A close contact of this individual attended a spin class at a gym taught by a person linked to the Hawaiian Airlines cluster. In a statement, Hawaiian Airlines says they express their deepest sympathies to all who have lost friends and family to the COVID-19 pandemic. They confirmed that 17 Hawaiian Airlines employees contracted the virus during a training program in late June. Department of Health says 8 family members of those workers tested positive, and then one person then infected more than 20 people at 2 gyms. The elderly man who died is linked to one of those individuals. The man's death marks the second linked to the Hawaiian Airlines cluster. Anderson says if we don't get a handle on things now, cases could reach 500 per day by late August, which will overwhelm hospital resources.
We have 2 models that we've been looking at recently, both of which project that we're going to see the ICU beds fully occupied by the 21st, I think it was, and even earlier in one model at the 19th, so in a couple of weeks out.
Jen Boniza, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.